Daily routines. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up very early every day. Get up.
Get up. After I wake up, I get up and go to the bathroom.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth before breakfast. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. I have breakfast in the kitchen.
Have a shower.
Take a shower.
After breakfast, I have a shower to get clean. Get dressed.
Get dressed. After my shower, I get dressed.
Go to work.
Go to work.
At 7:30 a.m., I go to work. Start work.
Start work. I start work at 8 a.m.
Check my emails.
Check my emails.
When I am at work, I check my emails. Have lunch.
Have lunch. I have lunch with my coworkers.
Finish work.
Finish work.
I finish work at 5 p.m. Go home.
Go home. When I finish work, I go home.
Do my homework.
Do my homework.
I do my homework when I arrive home. Go running.
Go running. In the evening, I go running.
Go to the gym.
Go to the gym.
In the evening, I go to the gym for a workout. Go shopping.
Go shopping. I sometimes go shopping to buy something for dinner.
Cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
At 6 p.m., I cook dinner in the kitchen. Have dinner.
Have dinner. At around 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
After dinner, I sit on the sofa and watch TV. Go to bed.
Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I always sleep 7 or 8 hours.